Okay, we started it.
I'm cold.
Okay, today we're going
My jacket, girl.
down here for a part 2.
This is part 2 for the one we walked down the road.
Big car!
Wait, come here.
She fell off of a tree right
Yeah,
down here.
I'm gonna show you guys something. Come here. Let's
What?
show them something. Come. Oh, it's
No, it's
come here.
locked. It's locked.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. Let's show him the actual demon's face.
I want. Auto.
Oh no! Guys, if you want to see the actual demon's face, we're gonna continue this next time.
Yeah, because we're not going to open it.
Actually, yeah, we'll open it.
You know what? To save my fears, I'm just going to turn on some crappy music.
This is scary. Can you do it? Yeah. Try to get it open.
That's what it looks like.
That's the demon hole.
I'm going to fuck you
Let's go.
with my
Close it, somebody. Ugh, I hate that hole. Whoa, steep hill.
I done.
going to fuck you with
There's that side, and then there's that side all the way over there. Come on, let's go, guys. Okay, now we gotta get around this, which we're gonna go over this way.
Tell them which tree I
I will when we go under it.
I wish I was on the other side because there were so many branches. I could have broke my neck.
You good? My friend Chloe fell off of right here.
Yeah.
I slipped on poop.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
You slipped on the water. Guys, we made it up. After a bit of the off the scenes climbing. Whew. We'll continue for part 3 in a minute.
Yep.